Good morning. So this is real life, and part of being a teacher and a leader in the way of wellness and holistic living is me sharing even when I'm in the mess of my own life. Because yes, even though I am a teacher, I still struggle in my own life. It's still a work in progress. We all are. I don't have all of the answers, but I do know that I'm on the right path. And so I want to share these things with you because I recognize that if I'm always fixing my own problems when I'm in my own cave, that I'm not helping as much as I could be. So right now I just wanted to share that this morning I had an incredibly rough morning. I woke up early, I meditated, I drank my warm water, I did some yoga, I was in a positive mindset, I made the green smoothie, but my kids weren't cooperating. And I ran up against so much resistance, and I'm realizing how much it bothers me, how much it really hurts me to be ignored, especially by people that I love, my kids, right? So I was triggered. I was very, very triggered this morning. And I ended up having an adult tantrum on my kids, which I'm not proud about. But I'm here because I want to tell you about the tools that helped me get out of this place so that didn't ruin my day. So the first thing I did was I went out in nature. And I took some breaths and I did some tapping. If you've ever heard of tapping or EFT, emotional freedom technique, there's certain points, acupressure, marma points on the body that you tap while you make a positive statement. So one of mine today, this is the karate chop point. So I'm tapping on my hand here, even though you can't see it when it's down, but I'm tapping and I'm saying, even though I am so upset with myself and my circumstances this morning, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm so mad at my kids and so upset with my own reaction, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm so mad, I still love and accept myself completely. Even though I wish I had responded very, very differently, I still love and accept myself. Even though I'm really mad that my kids didn't make a better choice and that I didn't make a better choice, I still love and respect myself completely. Even though this morning was hard and I didn't respond the way I wanted to, I still love and respect myself completely. Even though I still love and accept myself completely. So that was just one round, and I don't know if you can tell, but I'm in a much different place than I was when I started, even when I started this video. And so when you have something in the moment that is very triggering for you, it's emotional freedom technique so that you're not ruled by your emotions. It can also be very effective when you have a belief or something that you're upset about in general, not in the moment, right? Something that's big. But for me, what I'm doing recently is starting to work it into my daily life so that when something happens, I use it now. I use it in that moment instead of going later on, sitting and reflecting on it. And that's been really helpful to create new pathways of ways to be. So another thing that I did was I went and grabbed my Purify doTERRA oil blend, and I put this on my wrist points, and then I diffused wild orange, which is a super mood lifter. And so between all of these things, I have used just some easy natural things. This takes nothing. You don't have to even buy oil. Tapping takes nothing except your willingness in the moment to forgive yourself, to love yourself, or at least to want to. You don't even have to do it. You don't even have to feel that. Like in the moment when I started, I was so mad at myself. I didn't feel love and respect and forgiveness for myself, but I wanted to, and I knew that was the right thing to do. And as I tapped it out, I got to that place. And sometimes it takes several rounds to get to a place where you're not feeling that real trigger inside. So just real life here, sharing with you guys. I hope it was beneficial. And if you have any questions about tapping, emotional freedom technique, EFT, or about essential oils, or about anything else, if you want to vent about what your day was like, post your comments below. I'd love to hear from you. I always love to hear from you. And I'm talking to you if you're watching, but seriously, I always love to hear from you. So thanks for watching, and also tag a friend and share this if there's someone that you know that's interested in living a happier, healthier life through holistic ways. If it's someone who wants to be healthy and happy inside and out, tag them, share this with them. All right. Love you guys. Have a happy Tuesday.